Hi everybody, back here at the 7 Acre Shop. I'm the 7 Acre Shop guy. Last video we showed you how to make a spinner for about any type of game fish, and we're going to make another spinner today, but this would probably be attractive to maybe the trout fishermen, pan fishermen. So we're going to jump right into it. Here's the parts that you'll need to put this together. You can check with that first video and you'll see a better description of the parts, pieces, and the things necessary and where you can get them. But this is a split ring, a snap swivel, a barrel swivel, spinner blade, and split ring pliers that we'll use for the assembly. The first thing you're going to need are your split ring pliers to open up the ring. And then on goes the barrel swivel. Next, we're going to put on the spinner blade. And after that, the barrel swivel. And that's the finished, let me see if I can hold it like that. That's the finished product. Now when it's all done, this fly, which is one that I've tied myself, you can use a woolly bugger, a jig, just about any type of lure with an eye attachment to put it on. Now the significance of this particular spinner is that it's castable with a fly rod. You can also add a split shot on the line, up the line some, and you can cast it with a spinning reel. And if your reel and line are capable of casting this unit, it doesn't weigh very much, but it's actually castable by itself. And it works very well for bluegills, crappies, particularly for trout. I've caught numerous trout. That's just another little unit that you can make yourself, save yourself some money. If you've got plenty, you're not afraid to lose them. Hope you enjoyed this. Take a look at our other videos. Like us on Facebook and subscribe to us on YouTube. This is the 7 Acre Shop guy from the 7 Acre Shop. See you next time.